Throughout the past 40 years, EICO has built a strong position as a distributor of cooker hoods from the world's leading brands and factories. To some, a cooker hood is simply a cooker hood, but we know better. Luckily, because for decades, our know-how and expertise have come in handy for our customers in their meetings with end users. We will continue to take on this role in the decades to come, just on an extended level. From being a distributor of cooker hoods, the future EICO will be a Nordic distributor of a wide range of domestic appliances, including cooker hoods, of course. Your go-to advisor in white goods, a full-line service supplier, helping you throughout the entire process. We have decided to expand our range, keeping quality standards intact and bringing with us the values that have brought us to where we are today. At EICO, we care for every last detail, and we are always looking for new and better ways of doing things. To us, expertise will always be top priority, also as we implement new brands into our portfolio. They must live up to our no-compromise standards in terms of products and know-how, to the high quality that our customers and end users know and love us for. But EICO is more than products. We are your guarantee that things are handled expertly, from orders to delivery and everything in between. For us, service is more than an off-the-shelf item in a service department. It is not enough to us that everyone feels that EICO is a strong partner. It is part of our DNA to be that. EICO. Refine your choice.